Well, good Tuesday evening, folks. The snow is wrapping up across the area and the brutal cold is on the way. I'm WMAR 2 meteorologist Eric Tiller, Maryland's most accurate forecast. Most locations are dusting to 3 inches today. The winners up there across portions of Carroll and Hartford County, a little over 3 inches of snow. Snow continues to exit as our area of low pressure in front works off to the east. But behind it, there's another front waiting in the wings, and that's going to bring us a punch in the face from a massive polar punch coming down out of Canada and over the northern tier. How about temperatures that feel like 40 to 50, even 60 degrees below zero to the skin? This arrives late Wednesday into Thursday. Futurecast, as we time it all out for you, we'll get a couple more snow showers in here midday for your Wednesday. Notice the temperature right around freezing. Well, that goes away pretty fast, and temperatures really take a tumble here as we get towards Thursday. We'll be in the single digits during the early morning hours with wind chill factors below zero. Teens and 20s overnight tonight. Slick travel concerns. Slippery travel as we plan your day tomorrow. Watch out for a few school delays. Windy and cold as temperatures tumble in the evening. Wind chill factors 5 to 15 degrees below zero early Thursday morning, with highs only around 20 degrees with tons of sunshine. Just stay inside where it's warm on Thursday. A few snow showers there on Friday. Temps near 50 on Sunday, and we'll be back near 60 on Monday and Tuesday. Hard to believe, ups and downs in this forecast ahead. So stay safe out there with the warm conditions inside. Plenty of warm layers ready to go as we get ready for a cold snap. Don't forget about the pets and watch out for a few icy spots overnight tonight. Once again, this is an update here on the forecast for late tonight into early Wednesday morning.